Well, usually on Fridays on Your Carolina, we show you some great houses brought to you by Dan Hamilton. We sit down and we talk with him. Today, we decided to go to his work, see what it's like inside his office, meet some of the team, and just get to know Dan a little bit better.
Well, you guys know that we love Dan Hamilton, Dan the Man as we affectionately call him. Dan, thank you so much for having us in your space. We're all falling in love with how much space you have here, how creative it is. Thank you for having us in today.
Well, it's always great to have you guys. Usually I'm at your place, but welcome to Keller Williams, Greenville Upstate. We're in our internet cafe here where agents can kind of come and go, sit down, do some work. Agents are always on the go. So it's good to have a little place to crash for a little while and then keep on.
I know, we've been interrupting the flow. They come in, they're like, oh no, there's cameras in here. So it's really cool. But we hear you talk a lot about your team. Tell us what happens here and what makes you guys different from some of the other agencies out there.
Yeah, so in particular, I mean, Hamilton and Company is a team under the Keller Williams umbrella. So we have all the great features, benefits of being under an international company, Keller Williams Realty, with training, development, all the tools that we have at Keller Williams. And then at Hamilton and Company, we provide our agents lots of leads, lots of opportunity, a great support staff so they can get their business up and running very quickly. So the hardest part about getting started in real estate is having people to talk to that want to buy or sell. And so that's the problem that we've helped solve for agents because our marketing is just, as you know, second to none out there.
Really, and you see all the 5-star reviews that you guys are getting for what you're able to do. So people are definitely understanding that you guys are the best team.
Well, I think so. I think so.
Yeah, and tell us more about this building too. We see lots of places where people can go and hang out, where they're meeting with a client. Yeah. All the space allows you to do a whole lot more.
Yeah, exactly. And we are, just a super location right here in the middle of everything, right off Haywood Road. Great facilities, very comfortable. Our agents can meet our clients here in a great, comfortable way. We've got lots of different spaces. We've got all the latest technology. And just a great spot for people to kind of come and go. And as I said, agents are always on the go. Most of the time we're eating lunch in our cars, kind of in between appointments. So if agents want to come here, crash for a little bit, use the internet, jump on a computer in between appointments or meet a client, it's just a great spot to be able to do that.
And every time you come on the show, we're asking you to look into your crystal ball to forecast what's coming down the pipe. 2022 just started. What are we looking at when it comes to the real estate market? What is the big thing that your team is working on?
Well, I mean, we're just continuing to see a lot of people wanting to get to Greenville. We're working with a lot of relocation clients. As soon as they can sell in California, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, a lot of people are coming here. And so we're just anticipating another year just like 2021 and with a lot of low inventory, a lot of multiple offers. We're just going to see a lot of that continue on through the next few months.
And I love when they go to your website, mygreenvillehome.com, they can talk to an agent on there. They can really get the process started really quickly. So someone that's sitting at home right now and saying, I think it's the time, but I don't know how far I want to go with it. Is it best just to go in there or call the office and talk to one of your agents?
However they are comfortable, they can, with one click, they can see a home. So they can make an appointment with just one click on their phone. Or if they want to call, they can call our office. They'll talk to Katie, who is our client concierge. And what she'll do is just kind of help figure out, are they looking to buy or sell? If they're looking to sell, start asking a few questions to get prepared for us to come out and talk to them about capitalizing on this great market.
You guys make it really easy. What is it about this business that lured you in and has kept you in it? Because everybody knows Dan Hamilton. How did you get into that? What was the draw for you?
Wow, so it was a long time ago, 20 years ago. I'm starting my 20th year of real estate here in Greenville, and I looked at all the different things out there where people over time created wealth, and you look at real estate as such an amazing opportunity. And I just started reading more about real estate. I knew I wanted to invest myself in real estate, and as I did, I got my real estate license, and one thing led to another, and I got into sales. I never really dreamed that I would get into real estate sales, but I did, fell in love with it, fell in love with the opportunity to really help other people create that dream too, whether it's buying their own home or investing in property. You get to meet so many people, you get to hear so many stories. It's just an amazing business to be in.
Well, Dan, we always have you in the studio, and we know that you have quite the team here. It's always great to come and see where the boots are on the ground. So thank you so much for being here with us. MyGreenvilleHome.com has all the listings, and you can contact any of the agents there as well. Thanks, Dan.
Thanks, Jamarcus.